Put it back up there.
No, leave it.
Robert, here's a flare. Put a flare up. Or whatever that is.
Okay, that was actually a flare. I'd be extremely
Because I just calmly
Where did it go? I just pulled it up and it fell into the abyss.
into the abyss that is this tree.
Oh god, I bumped it.
Hey, what did you do?
Uh-oh. I turned off the tree.
I just hung
Down
one.
here.
Get down here. It's going to like slingshot off or something.
God. I stuck it in there.
That was horribly painful to watch it.
Well, wait a minute. Maybe you can put them all around the top. Because we have lots of them. Here you go. She's good. Robert's got them.
Oh, I got two of them.